Imagine a rapidly expanding city situated in a semi-arid region. For the past several years, very little rain has fallen, and the local water supply is buckling under a severe drought. The mayor issues a clear mandate. The city needs a 50-year water security plan to survive. But damming a nearly empty river or blindly drilling new wells are no longer viable options. The challenge for civil planners is that the actual mechanics of a municipal water grid operate out of sight. The water moves through subterranean rock and atmospheric cycles that nobody can actually see. Relying strictly on surface-level observations creates a dangerous blind spot. By the time the visible reservoirs run dry and the taps stop working, it is already too late to find a new source. To map this hidden system layer by layer, hydrologists rely on a process called a stacked assessment. Securing the city's future requires abandoning guesswork. Planners must forensically track the exact movement and age of every drop of water using isotope hydrology. The investigation begins by looking up. Hydrologists collect samples of whatever local rain does manage to fall from the sky and break it down to its atomic components. This scatterplot graphs the specific ratio of hydrogen and oxygen isotopes found in freshly collected rainwater. That trend line and its highlighted boundary zone create a mathematical fingerprint defining exactly what healthy local precipitation looks like for this specific city. Without establishing this local mathematical baseline, hydrologists have no way to detect anomalies, failures, or contamination elsewhere in the city's grid. With the baseline established, the audit moves down to the surface to inspect the city's primary open-air reservoir. Hydrologists take samples from the reservoir and calculate the evaporation-to-inflow ratio. This metric measures how much water is naturally entering the basin versus how much is escaping back into the atmosphere. This stacked bar chart visualizes the stark results of that test. Of all the water flowing into the reservoir, a massive 60% is lost to evaporation before it ever reaches a pipe. The surface water infrastructure is highly inefficient. It loses more water to the sun than it delivers to the city, making it incapable of supporting future population growth. To make up for the heavy losses at the surface, the city planners have been aggressively pumping water from deep municipal wells. The final step of the audit diagnoses these underground aquifers. Hydrologists test the well water for traces of tritium, a modern radioactive isotope, and carbon-14 to determine its exact age. This timeline shows the problem. Modern surface water has high tritium, but deep well water shows zero tritium and a 12,000-year carbon-14 age. This proves the city is mining non-refilling fossil water. As the depletion curve projects, the aquifer runs empty in exactly 15 years. The stacked data removes all ambiguity. The city is surviving on a dying resource, and if the pumping continues, the municipal grid will completely collapse in a decade and a half. This collection of isotopic evidence provides the exact parameters required to transition from diagnosing the crisis to engineering the physical solution. During seasonal storms, hydrograph separation data reveals that immense volumes of fresh rainwater rush down the local riverbed in a flash flood. Right now, all of that water flows directly out to the ocean and is permanently lost. To capture this wasted resource, civil engineers can implement Managed Aquifer Recharge, or MAR. This geological cross-section shows how the infrastructure works. Planners divert fast-moving storm runoff, pumping it down into a shallow underground aquifer. By moving water beneath the surface, the city creates a sun-proof bank, immediately eliminating the evaporation loss draining the open-air reservoir. With a secure, modern bank of stored stormwater to rely on, the city can cap the deep wells and stop draining the 12,000-year-old fossil water reserve entirely. Isotope hydrology provides concrete measurements of invisible systems. It gives city planners the exact scientific blueprint required to build drought-resistant infrastructure and guarantee a steady water supply for the next 50 years.